and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert an arrow in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Microsoft Word and open a new document or an existing one. Then go to the Insert tab, Shapes. Then select one of these arrows in the Lines section. You have a line arrow double, and many other options. So select the type you want and click on it. Then click and drag to insert on the arrow. Now click on it, then go to Format under Drawing Tools. And here you can change the shape style. Let's select this one, for example. You can also change the shape outline. Let's make it green, for example, this shade of green. You can select more outline colors, change the weight of the arrow, the dashes, and the arrow, and the arrow style. You can also click on more arrows to change or to change the style. You can change the color, the transparency, the width, the compound type. So this one, for example, the dash type, the cap type, the join type, the begin arrow type. Let's select this one, for example, the begin arrow size, the end arrow size type, and the end arrow size. You can also go to Effects and add a shadow, a reflection, glow, soft edges, 3D format, or 3D rotations. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.